Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by importing your high-resolution image and setting the canvas so pixels match output. This prevents quality loss. Once placed, convert the image layer to a smart object to preserve detail when transforming. Create a dedicated text layer and mask-ready layer groups for organization. Make sure rulers and guides are visible to align elements precisely. As you type, pick a legible font and adjust tracking. This first setup saves time and keeps edits reversible as you move into blending. Now you integrate text with the photo. Position the text where natural contrast helps readability, then apply layer styles like drop shadow and stroke for separation. Use blend if sliders to let highlights or shadows of the image show through the text, creating realistic embedding. If text should appear on a specific object, apply a clipping mask to a paint or adjustment layer. Once done, experiment with blend modes, such as overlay or soft light, and reduce opacity to harmonize light and color. Finish by refining edges and color. Use selective sharpening and a subtle color lookup or curves adjustment to match tones between text and image. Convert groups to smart objects to preserve flexibility, then export using the correct color profile for your destination. If the text looks pasted on, use transform and warp to match the image perspective, and paint a soft mask to blend edges. If colors shift on export, check color profiles and flatten only after confirming correct appearance. That usually fixes common issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.